Now that I have Helperbird installed, I'm going to use it in an email to read an email. So I have this email open and I'm going to click on Helperbird right here and you can make sure that it's turned on. I can see that my button here is green and it says Helperbird is on. You can switch it off or on whenever you'd like. Since I want to use it right now, I'm going to make sure that it's switched on. So in my email, if I want help reading any of this text, like let's say I want this first sentence, click and drag over the text to select it. And now what I can do is select the immersive reader. The immersive reader is going to be the open book icon right here. If you hover over it, it'll say immersive reader. That's the one tool that I want to teach you about right now. So step 1 again, select your text. Step 2, click on immersive reader. Once you do that, you'll see the immersive reader will open over here. And now we can see that the text that I selected is separated and isolated for me to look at. Immersive reader allows you to change the look of the text. If I click on this icon, I can make the text larger. I can increase the spacing, the font, colors, and more. The other feature that I want to show you is the reading preferences. The most important thing here is the translation. I'm going to focus on this. So what I can do is click on choose language, and there are over 80 languages to choose from. One of them that I want to show you is Pashto. So if I find Pashto right here, okay, and now after I select Pashto, I'm going to go to document to translate the whole thing. Click on document. I now see that it has translated most of it. It's not perfect, but it is going to translate the text there. And now, even better, I'm going to close my side menu here and then click play. So now I can select any text from an email or a website and have it read out loud to me in Pashto, or Spanish, or Arabic, or French, or German, or Russian, or whatever language you'd like. I'm going to click the back button to get back to my email, and then I'm going to move on to my next sentence. Here you go. I've selected it, and then now I'm going to select Immersive Reader. Click on it. It will load. To get my translation, I'm going to click on the book, choose my language. I'm going to find Pashto again. And again, I'm going to click Document. That will translate my entire document. I'm going to close my menu here and click Play. All right, so now I can get out of this and go back to my email, and I can continue selecting text and then selecting Immersive Reader and then translating it until I have understood the communication from the school or from whatever source of information that it's coming from. If you don't want to use Helperbird, you can always turn it off and then you can close it. When you need it again, simply click on Helperbird here. It'll open up the sidebar and then turn it on. And that is how you use Helperbird to use Immersive Reader in Chrome.